Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, Aquarius. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Aquarius. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. So we have Ship, Lady, and Clouds. So in your circumstances, Aquarius, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship with this person you love. Maybe today you have some confusions, something is not clear, and maybe you are making some important choices today, decisions in your work, and you are not certain what needs to be done. So, and your circumstances are quite challenging today, guys. Maybe you have to think clearly before making the right choice, or it may take you towards something irreversible changes in your circumstances today, guys. So you are thinking deeply about what needs to be done today, and it is quite a stressful time for you today, facing all these challenges, and you are in doubt, you don't know what you need to do. And also, Aquarius, if it is something to do in your work situation, guys, you must think it clearly, maybe think differently today. If you want the right solution, you must think in a different way, maybe from a different point of view, if your circumstances are not clear. And you may have some preconceived ideas or some beliefs. Maybe you hold on to certain beliefs or ideals for yourself. That may be the reason you lack clarity today. So maybe having a new outlook, maybe seeing things in a different way from what you felt, from a different standpoint. It is going to give you clarity, and you will be in for some kind of an adventure. Something may work out that may not be your cup of tea, that is what you were thinking, but it is going to work out just fine, guys. All you are doing is changing your perception today, guys. So it may be a circumstance in your relationship also, maybe for some of you. So if you change the way you see this person you love, or the way you perceive your relationship, so all those ideas you had or the dreams you had and the expectations you have, that may be the reason you are confused or you are seeing problems in this relationship, guys. Maybe when you give up your expectation and just see the truth for as it is in your present circumstances, it is going to give you clarity in your relationship, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Cross. And even in this relationship, though you may have a good understanding with this person you love, guys, they are not interested in committing to you deeply, because maybe they have different goals for themselves. Maybe they want to achieve certain things in their life. Maybe they may have some ambitions, or they are in doubt just like you whether to be in this connection with you or not. So they have their own future plans, guys, and maybe too many burdens or too many responsibilities may be the reason for some negative feelings or emotions in this relationship. So maybe today karma or fate is working, guys. That may be the reason you are with this person, Aquarius. So this may be a karmic connection with this person you have, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Tower. So with this card, it just means that there are some changes happening in your career situation, something which you never expected, and maybe you may feel that you are lonely and you have to handle everything on your own. There are a lot of responsibilities and you may be very much stressed, but you need to understand, guys, these are the changes necessary that is taking you towards success and prosperity in your situation, guys, Aquarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So we will keep this card aside. Please like and comment, guys, if you like this reading. So we will see what is the card, the first card for you all. It's Snow White and it says purity. I hope you can see the card here, guys. Yeah. So with this card, it just means that you are a very honest person, guys, pure soul. Maybe in your circumstances you have seen worse circumstances with people behaving in a bad way, people with evil intentions, but all that bad intentions or worse kind of behavior has not corrupted you at all, and your beautiful character, nature is going to shine through this time, guys. Maybe you are in some difficult situation. People are trying to create a lot of obstacles or lot of stressful situation for you, guys. They are trying to create problems for you, and they are jealous and they are rejecting you, and whatever is possible for them, they are doing all that. But you are someone who is a pure soul, you are a good soul, and you are just smiling, looking at your circumstances, and nothing is making an impact on you to change towards some negative things, like you don't want to retaliate to them in any way. So your kindness and your good nature, your pure heart is going to shine out today, guys, and this kindness and pure heart is what is giving you success today, guys. So, whatever evil is upon you, it has not made it to your heart, and you are going to be triumphant today. You are going to win. Your good nature, your pure heart is going to win today, guys. So, that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So, let us see what is the second card. So, for those who chose the second card, it is Yin. So, with this card, it just means that in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, it is the time for you to let the other person make the first move. So, conscious allowing. So that is what this card means. Maybe letting the other person do what they need to do today, and you just need to wait and see where things are going. So in your relationship, you need to let the other person take the lead now. So your power lies in awareness that you are letting them do it, letting them, you're giving them the reins, yielding your reins. So you will find yourself effortlessly moving closer to what you truly desire, guys, what you truly want. So you need to let that other person tell you what they truly feel about you and who they can be to you, and letting their actions speak for themselves. So when you do that, you will be surprised, guys. It will be something which you love, but all you are doing is you are making that other person do it. So that way your dreams are going to manifest, and actions and what to say is flowing from the other person. So that is what this card is about, guys. So you are the person receiving whatever this other person is giving today, guys, to you. So that is what this card means. You just need to let that person give to you. Maybe not always we need to make the first move, we need to decide on certain things and do certain things. Sometimes we must let that other person make the move and take that action, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.